Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi A4 spark plugs. Gather tools, ratchet, 10mm socket, spark plug socket, extension, torque wrench, and new plugs. Work on one cylinder at a time to avoid mix-ups and label ignition coils if needed. Keep a clean workspace and a magnetic tray for bolts. Check plug gaps and torque specs for your engine before installation to ensure reliable starts and efficient combustion. Start by removing the engine cover to access the ignition coils, keeping bolts organized. Unplug each coil connector carefully and remove the small mounting bolt holding the coil in place. Pull coils straight out while supporting them to avoid damaging the boot or coil. Inspect boots for cracks or oil contamination and replace if necessary. Set coils aside in order so reinstallation matches cylinder positions for a smooth reassembly. Use a spark plug socket and extension to remove old plugs, keeping the socket straight to avoid thread damage. Inspect the old plugs for signs of oil, carbon, or overheating that indicate other issues. Gap new plugs to specification and start them by hand to avoid cross-threading. Torque each plug to the correct value and reconnect coils in order, then reconnect the battery and test for smooth idle and consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.